Hi, this is my video adaptation of my lectures given last year in the University of Groningen. And my particular place was Institute of Biology of Aging, which is nicely shown over here. Currently, I am retired from the university, and so I got free time, and I thought, why don't I convert my lectures in the classes to the lectures on possibly YouTube? You should consider that my students were mostly PhD with non-mathematical background, so they were mostly busy in the lab in molecular biology, cell biology, medicine, biomed. And for them, it's naturally not that easy to switch to some programming language and doing some programming and data analysis. So it's a little bit awkward combination, still is. And so I had to do some adaptations to this category of students. They usually begin doing their small stuff in Excel, but at some moment they realize that there are some limitations with it. It's not so much wrong with Excel, it's simply designed for relatively small size data, good for education, for the beginners, but the number of columns and rows is limited. It's constantly guessing what kind of variable you type in and makes mistakes. For instance, my favorite gene was septin1, not 1st of September. With math, I typed 4 minus 5 and I forgot equal sign, so it immediately thinks it's the 4th of May. It also limited with illustrations. Programming exists, but it's difficult to get it working properly. It's behind in macros. And therefore, as soon as you start doing something more than clicking buttons, you realize you need something else. And therefore, at some moment, you might have this call in your head saying that grow up, honey, use R. I still have this LP at home, and I always try to imagine what would they possibly tell to one another, and this is my version of the events.